Hi everyone! This is the Magic Cosmetic Bag. It has handles for easy carrying and opens wide and stays open just like magic for easy access and to see everything inside. The accordion gusset on each side keeps your items from falling out, and it also has a clear divider to keep your items separated. The inside is lined with a waterproof canvas that's easy to clean. And while it might be a compact size, it holds a lot. This clear brush holder is a separate pattern that you can also get on our website. It's a quick, fun sew, and as you can see, I've made quite a few using different materials, such as cotton fabric, faux leather, and even one from real leather from an old sofa, all of them on my domestic machine. I even used a cross stitch on some of them.